Hi, I'm Tolis from Greece, and today I'm going to review two ROG cases for the Samsung Galaxy S3. So let's see them. The first case is the ROG Big City side flip leather case. This case is in cream color, or some sites call it champagne color. Just put the phone here, flips in. So this is a flip case, so it protects the screen. And this side is kind of soft. This case has a strange texture, a leather case texture, which is kind of soft, and it feels very nice. It's anti-slide and waterproof. So, with this flip case. The other case is the ROG Quicksand hardcover case for the Samsung Galaxy S3. So let me put the phone here. It has a texture of something like soft sand with a small amount of a rubber feel. This case is made of high quality polycarbonate, which is lightweight and extremely thin, so it doesn't add much bulk to the phone. It protects the camera here and around here. It's raised just a little bit to protect the screen whenever you place it like this. So, these are the cases, the ROG flip case and the ROG Quicksand. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for new Samsung Galaxy S3 related videos.